Hello, I've got a Peugeot 206 here on a 2005 plate. Just going to show you how to replace the side light bulb on this. It is a quite simple procedure on this one. As you can see, that one there is working. On the passenger side front, it isn't. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Right, here we go. Now, the bulb is right there. This is the brown plug right here. That's what we need to take out. The bulb we need is... let me just switch the lights off. It's a 501 bulb. That's what we need. Now to do it, it's simple. All you got to do is, if you put your fingers inside, twist that to the left. Just careful, you don't want to cut yourself, because there is a sharp edge here, as you can see, just right there. So I'm not going to try to cut myself, but so if I twist that to my left, it is a bit tight. There we go, and then I'll pull it out. Right, it's still not coming out, so I'll push it back in. Just that more to my left. Shouldn't have to do this, but for some reason this one here is a bit tight, so it is quite loose in there. Maybe I'll wiggle. I've already cut myself. That's no good. It's a bit tight. Let's have a look. See why isn't this coming out? Right, okay, the lug is in the right situation. I mean, it should just pull out. Still not doing it. I know I do get a lot of people saying, then why is it not coming out? You just see. I'll lock it back into position. Let's lock back in, undo it. It's just a bit tight. There we go. That's out. So that's what was stopping the bulb coming out. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace the bulb. If you can just pull the bulb out. Pull the bulb out. Just the bulb on its own. Put the new one in. So there's only one way the new one would go in. As you can see from there. It's the other way. The other way. The other way. Can you not see what's inside? OMG, man, you take the bulb, slot the bulb in. Can you see where the bulb holder is? Look at the bulb itself.
Yeah, this one.
That's it. Sorry about this. We got a rookie here. Push it in. Push. That's it. That's all you got to do. Push in. And then you slot it through the hole again. Make sure it goes in through the right hole. So you push and then twist. Just make sure it's all tight. That's tight now. I'm just going to check if it's working. Right here. Now that you can see, that one there is working, and this one is working as well. That's all you got to do on this particular model. Do take extra care, because there is a sharp edge here, and as you can see, I've cut myself. I'm going to plaster this up in a minute, clean it up and everything. But yeah, that's all it is, and they are quite tight, so you just got to wiggle and pull it out. And don't hold it from the wire itself, the cable, just hold it from the plug. Thank you and goodbye.